So for those of you who are quarantined at this time, or you don't have to go to the gym, or you have no gym membership, this could be the thing for you.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt Outdoors version.
Right.
Yes. Oh, by the way, if you like this swag, like we got Team Kilowatt t-shirts, don't forget, send us a message to teamkilowatt@gmail.com and we can get some of them out to you.
Go get your shirts. Get your shirts.
I've been really excited to review this product with you now because I've been wanting to get one of these gyms, and finally we found it in wood.com for $120.
Wow, what is it, Alex?
This is BodyBoss 2.0. We're gonna put it to the test because I've been using these bands at home, but this looked like it was going to revolutionize the workout. So for $120, the website originally says it's $180, but we're gonna see if it makes a lot of sense for those of you who are at home.
So basically what is in here is the base.
Yeah, this handle.
So are these handles for the ropes?
Yeah, the ropes.
And then also the ropes.
The ropes.
It doesn't seem like there's a lot more to it.
So let's open it up so we can find out.
Let's unbox it.
Let's unbox it. All right, here we go.
Whoa. So, looks like we have the bag where things can be stored here on the side, very nice. And we have the nunchucks. What is this? The holders, I guess.
Those are the handles.
The handle. We have additional type of handles.
That's for the legs.
Oh, there you go. This is for the mouth, yes?
For the door.
Oh, for the door. This is not the one that you like.
No, this is
not
not
kind of video.
50 Shades of Grey. No.
Okay, got it. Oh, the ropes.
And the
you know what
ropes.
this ropes remind me of? Remember the ones we have that hose that you?
Yeah, they have that hose that's like 25, 30 feet.
Yeah, that shrivels and it doesn't tangle. And then finally, the metal handles here.
But this is a part underneath. This is the key to the whole workout gym piece. This is the holder and where you got to put the workouts and stuff. What else is inside? Okay, so here we have a workout kit put together, kind of like thing, and there you go. Oh yes.
This is rubbery, so it looks like you can stand on it and be more comfortable. Okay, I see. Oh, it expands.
Well, that's the idea. It opens up, we put that on the floor, and then we start hooking things up to different places and getting a workout. You want to get a workout? It's 90 degrees right now. You want to get a workout?
For our Team Kilowatt viewers, we're gonna sweat. Let's do this.
All right, so here is the stuff that comes with. We have the base, we have the bar. Can you do the inventory? Base is over there. Next is the bars. Bars. Check. Handles. Check. Straps, which are those are not the straps. The other ones are the straps. Yep. Those are the straps. Straps, check. Then we have the bands. Check. And then we have the door anchor. So the door anchor, not the mouthpiece, that's for you now to keep them quiet. So if you need one of those, get one of those. And you have an optional ab wheel, but we didn't get the ab wheel, so forget it.
All right, guys. So this has been the unbox, the BodyBoss 2.0.
Let us know if you're using it. Let us know if you had any good experiences, any bad experiences with it. We would like to know so that we can continue to provide good feedback.
If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like this channel.
Also, hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos. So, signing out, exhausted, tired, all sweaty.
And sweaty.
Team Kilowatt. I feel like a Ninja Turtle.